Hello everyone, my name is Villesh Sahu, Guest Lecturer, Department of Computer Science, Pandit Sundarlal Sharma Open University, Koni, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. So today we will discuss the types of internet connectivity. So let's start. Types of connectivity. So what is the connectivity? Connectivity means method through which devices connected to the internet or other networks. In simple words, connectivity means how does your laptop connect to Google? How does your phone connect to WhatsApp? How does your computer connect to online classes? Connectivity types are divided into two main categories. First one is wired connectivity. Second one is wireless connectivity. Each method has its own advantage, disadvantage, speed and cost. Let us first understand wired connectivity. Wired connectivity, the physical foundation. Wired connectivity uses physical cable. Even today, major offices, banks, data centers and gaming setups use wired connections. But why? Because wired connections provide higher reliability, stable speed, lower latency and better security. Wireless may be convenient, but wired is powerful and stable. Now, let us explore different wired connectivity types. The first one is dial-up connection. Dial-up was the original method of internet connection. It uses telephone lines. It requires an analog modem. Every time you want internet, the modem dials the ISP number. It has maximum speeds of 56 kilobytes per second. To give you an idea, today even a small image is larger than what dial-up could load quickly. Advantages: very low cost, available wherever telephone lines exist. Disadvantages: extremely slow, cannot use phone and internet together, but now it's outdated. Dial-up is historical important but not used today. Next, DSL, digital subscriber line. DSL was a big improvement over dial-up. It uses the same telephone line but different frequency. That means you can talk on phone and use the internet at the same time. It is always on, no need to dial. There are two main types. The first one is ADSL and the second one is SDSL. Let us understand them. ADSL means asymmetric digital subscriber line. Download speed is higher than upload speed. Perfect for home users who watch the videos, download videos, browse websites, while SDSL means symmetric digital subscriber line. Upload and download speeds are equal. Best for business that upload large files, hosting a server, do video conferencing. Important limitations are DSL speeds decrease if you are far from ISP exchange. The distance affects performance. Now, cable internet and fiber optics. Cable internet uses coaxial cable, same as cable TV. It provides higher speed than DSL, but bandwidth is shared with neighbors. So during evening time, speed may reduce. Now, fiber optics. Fiber is fastest wire technology because it uses light signal. Speed can go up to several gigabytes per second. Advantages: extremely fast, very low latency, highly reliable, but there have some disadvantages too. Expensive installation, limited in rural areas. Fiber is the future of the internet connectivity. Wired connectivity at a glance here is showing by a comparison table. So types of connection and the comparison between there. As per you see, the type is dial up, medium is telephone line, the max speed is 56 kb per second. It's always on, never goes down. Best for legacy system, but not in used now. Then DSL, medium telephone line, max speed approx 100 Mbps, always on, yes, best for home and small office. Cable, medium coaxial cable, max speed up to 1 Gbps, always on, yes, best for urban households. Then next is fiber optics, medium fiber cable, optical fiber cable, max speed is 10 Gbps plus and it is always on. High demand users. This shows how internet technology has improved over the time to support streaming, gaming, cloud computing and AI applications. Now let us move to wireless connectivity. Wireless connectivity does not use physical cables. It uses radio waves, cellular networks, satellites. Wireless has made internet portable. You can use internet in classroom, in train, in airplane, in remote village. There are three main types. First one is Wi-Fi, then mobile data, and third one is satellite. So Wi-Fi uses radio waves. It connects devices within the limited range about to 30 to 50 meters indoors. Common in homes, schools, offices. Advantage is no cable, easy setup. Disadvantages: limited range, signal interference, speed drops with obstacles. Wi-Fi is ideal for local wireless networking, while mobile data uses cellular towers. It requires a SIM card. 3G was basic mobile internet, while 4G improved speed significantly. 5G provides ultra fast speed and low latency. Advantages: true portability, works anywhere with network coverage. Disadvantages: data limits. Speed depends on signal strength. 5G is enabling technologies like IoT, smart cities and remote surgery. The next is satellite internet. Satellite internet uses orbiting satellites best for extremely remote areas, but signal travels to space and back, so latency is very high. It is also expensive. However, modern low Earth orbit satellites are improving performance. Satellite is essential for remote connectivity. The next is modem. Modem means modulator, demodulator. Computer use digital signals 0 and 1. Telephone lines uses analog signals and the modem converts between them. Without modem, communication with ISP is impossible. So step 1, modulation. It converts digital signal to analog signal. Then transmission, analog signal travels to ISP. Then demodulation happened. Analog signal converts to digital. This process happens in milliseconds. That is how your web page is loaded instantly. So now types of modems. The first one is internal modem inside CPU. Second one is external modem, separate device. Third one is DSL modem for DSL. The fourth one is cable modem for cable internet. Wireless modem, modem plus Wi-Fi router combined. Modern homes usually use wireless modem router. And the next is functions of a modem. A modem does more than signal conversion. It also corrects errors, compresses data, authenticates ISP credential, maintaining connections. It ensures stable and secure internet communication. Broadband and DSL. Broadband means high speed, always on internet. No dial up, no waiting. Broadband supports streaming, online gaming, cloud computing, video calls. DSL is one type of broadband. What broadband provides? Broadband provides faster speed, continuous connection, multi-device support, low latency. This enables modern digital life. Types of DSL. The first one is ADSL, second one is SDSL, and third one is VDSL. ADSL download speed is faster than upload speed. SDSL speed of download and upload are equal. VDSL much faster than ADSL, supporting SD, streaming and online gaming. Then pros and cons. Say advantages: always connected, no dial-up required. Phone line remains free for voice calls. Affordable compared to fiber cable. More secure than shared cable. Then disadvantages is distance sensitive, speed limit lower than fiber. DSL is good but fiber is superior. Software requirement. Hardware alone is not enough. Software is required to connect to internet. Several components must work together. Let us understand each. Operating system. Operating system manages network drivers, TCP/IP configuration, device settings. For example, Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Without OS, hardware cannot function. Network drivers. Drivers allow modems and NIC to communicate with OS. If driver is missing, internet will not work. Always install correct drivers. TCP/IP protocol is the backbone of the internet. It handles packet formation, IP addressing, routing, error handling. Every internet communication uses TCP/IP. Then next is web browser. Web browser is user interface of internet. Example, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. Browser renders web pages. Without browser, you cannot access websites. Email client and security software. Email client like Outlook, Thunderbird. Security software like antivirus, firewall, anti-malware security is very important in networking. Next, modern configuration. Modern configuration, now practical part. Let's see the steps. Step 1, physical connection. Step 2, access interface. Step 3, enter ISP details. Step 4, configure wireless. Step 5, save and restart. After that, test the connection. Configuration parameters. IP address. It is used for device entity. Subnet mask. Define the size and boundary of the local network. Default gateway, the router's address, the exit point to the wider internet. DNS converts human readable domain names into IP address. PPPoE, point to point protocol over Ethernet. It is authentication protocol. Common modem issues: no internet light, check cable, wrong credential, re-enter incorrect, incorrect DNS, try 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Outdated firmware update. Troubleshooting is important skill for IT students or learners. So overall summary is, there are connectivity types: wired and wireless. Modems use signal conversion. Broadband always on internet. Softwares like OS drivers, TCP, IP and browser. Modern configuration, proper setup ensures stable connection. So today we understand how internet reaches us, different connectivity technologies, roles of modems, importance of broadband, software requirements, configuration and troubleshooting. Now, whenever you connect to Wi-Fi, you will understand that what is happening behind the scene. So, thank you everyone.